Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to look at using Google Forms as an exit ticket for students to show what they know having been to your class. The first thing we're going to do is add a question, and that's this button on the right hand side, Add Question. For this example, I'm going to paste in an image of an exam question that students would typically see and ask them to enter their responses. So I'm going to click this icon here to insert an image into my Google Drive and find the image that I want to insert. I've selected my image and I click Insert. I can now frame my question around this image. So I've written my question. Google Forms has detected it to be a short answer question. I can change this to being a long answer, multiple choice, or anything else in between. I would like this to be a self-marking exercise as a quick exit ticket when students finish my lesson. So for this example, I'm going to make it multiple choice. So I have entered my 3 possible answers. I have chosen common misconceptions that students often display as my incorrect answers. So the 35 degrees relates to the difference between 360, take away the 215, and then applying it to an incorrect rule of 180. By doing it this way, I can assess if a student has a misconception, where might that misconception lie, making my assessment more robust. I need to now tell Google Forms that this is a quiz and that it can self-mark it for me. So I do that under the settings wheel here. And I go to Quizzes, make this a quiz, and then save. You can see now that the answer key option is now available to me. When I open this then, I can select which is the correct answer, and then I can add answer feedback. For the incorrect answers, I might want to link them to a document where I talk about angles around a point and to give them some more practice. For correct answers, I might want to link to a document that is the beginning of next lesson or the homework task for this week to challenge them and take their learning forwards. Likewise, I can link to a video on YouTube to stretch them as well. So in this example, I'd like them to review a video for next week's topic. So I click the video icon here, and then I search on YouTube for that topic. I've selected the video for the next week's topic and inserted it. This is the topic for next week. Please review this video and save. You can see that this has now been inserted. When I click Done, I return to the question part of the form rather than the answer key. What I need to do now is check how this looks for a student, and I do that by clicking this eye icon here to preview it. So in this example, I've selected the correct answer and I click Submit. I will view my score and it tells me that I got it correct, and there's that video that I can watch to get ready for next lesson. I can collate the responses. You can see I've now got one response from that preview into a Google Sheet, and I do that by clicking this plus icon here. When I click this plus icon here, I can select an existing spreadsheet. I've already created a spreadsheet for my entry tickets. I would like these results of my exit tickets to go into the same spreadsheet. So I've linked to the existing spreadsheet, and you can see that I have my entry ticket tab here, and then form responses 2 is the one that I've just created, and I can rename that to the exit ticket. So now I can tab between student responses to see their progress from the entry ticket and the exit ticket. So that is how you can use Google Forms as an exit ticket for students to assess them and to show what they know having attended your class.